How to get cigarette smell out of leather, detailed guide. Do you have cigarette smell on your leather? It can be tough to get rid of, but with the right methods, it is possible. In this video, we will discuss how to remove cigarette smell out of leather using different methods. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Vacuum the leather item. Vacuuming helps remove any dirt or debris that may be sitting on the surface of the leather. This will make the next steps in the process more effective. Start by removing any cushions or covers from the leather item if your item has them. Next, attach the upholstery brush attachment to your vacuum cleaner. This attachment is specifically designed for cleaning furniture. It is also gentle on leather. Finally, vacuum the item thoroughly. Once you are done, do the next step. Step 2. Apply baking soda. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber. Therefore, it's a great way to get rid of cigarette smoke from leather. Begin by spreading a generous amount of baking soda over the leather item's surface. We recommend that you cover the entire area. Doing this will allow the baking soda work its magic. Let the baking soda sit on the leather for several hours, or even overnight if possible. During this time, the baking soda will absorb the cigarette smell from the leather. Thereafter, use your vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda from the leather. Make sure you use the upholstery brush attachment so you don't damage the leather. Check if the smell is gone. If it is, you don't have to do the next step. However, if the smell persists, do the next step. Step 3. Use white vinegar. Important note, skip this step if your leather item is delicate or might be damaged by white vinegar. If in doubt, try it on an inconspicuous part of the leather item first. Now let's continue. White vinegar is a natural odor neutralizer and will help remove any residual cigarette smoke smell that may still be lingering. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the leather surface. Make sure to cover the entire area. Be careful not to oversaturate the leather, as too much liquid can damage it. Use a soft cloth or sponge to wipe off the solution from the leather. Ensure you wipe off all the excess liquid and any residue. This is important because white vinegar can damage the leather surface if left behind. Its acidic nature can cause discoloration, cracking, and drying out of the leather. Once you've wiped off the solution, allow the leather to air dry completely. This can take several hours, so be patient. It's important to let it air dry so that the leather doesn't become too dry or stiff. Proceed to the next step if the smell still lingers. Step 4. Use a leather cleaner. There are many products on the market that are specifically formulated to remove odors from leather. Therefore, we recommend that you get such a product. Ensure that you read the instructions on the cleaner's label carefully before using it. After applying the cleaner according to the instructions, allow the leather to air dry completely. If the cigarette smell is not eliminated, repeat the process again. Sometimes, you might need to repeat the process more than once to get the desired result. Note, before trying any of the cleaning options discussed in this video, check the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning your specific leather item. This will prevent you from damaging the leather. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.